Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if it is not your first time here. My name is Ema, and today I'm going to be doing a slick bun tutorial. A lot of you guys have been highly requesting this video, especially since I showed you guys what I look like with my slick bun. I've been trying to figure out what styles work for my length of hair, and I've definitely figured out it just is so simple. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys definitely subscribe. I will have a lot more videos coming. Me and my sister are actually doing a Twintober series where we upload videos every day in October. You don't want to miss out. So really quickly, I'll give you guys an overview of my slick do in the back. I will definitely be doing more hair videos for you guys. If you're excited to watch this video, definitely give me a huge thumbs up, and like I said, subscribe if you are new so you don't miss out on my future videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like right out of the shower. I had it in a towel for some time, so it has started to kind of like towel dry a little bit, but you have to have your spray with water on deck. I typically like to just keep some water in a bottle and just spray that on my hair. I always like to start this style with wet hair, not too damp. You always want to make sure that you just part right down the middle. I like to use my nose as a point of reference, and then you can just go straight there. So I think that this part is pretty good. You can use a rat tail comb, or you can just use the back of a brush. Your holy grail is going to be your Eco Styling Gel. I actually like to use the Eco Styling Gel with olive oil. I don't know what it is, but I just really like it. First things first, like I said, I hop out the shower a little bit. I didn't shampoo today. All I did was a co-wash. So I take my olive oil green lotion, just a little bit, and I just like to moisturize my hair. I think it's really important that your hair is first moisturized. I did a hot oil treatment not too long ago, so my hair is thriving. Oh my gosh, I can't wait until my hair grows out some, because I am loving this. So yeah, I just take some moisturizing lotion and put that all throughout my hair. My hair is already detangled as well, so I'm loving this. Okay, so that's what I do. My hair is already detangled. If it needs further detangling, I can do that. And you want to make sure that you don't neglect your edges. So I usually just start taking my gel just to start getting everything in their place. And I typically will just start putting it down the middle. And sometimes I'll put it down in my hands and rub it together and do it like that. And then sometimes I'll put it back there. I'll also put it in the back on my nape neck, just because we want the nape neck to be snatched. So I just do it like that. Low-key, my brush is kind of on its last leg, but you take a hard bristle brush and you just want to like brush up those edges, okay? You definitely want a brush that has some wear and tear on it. So I just kind of like start brushing it out just to lay it down. And then you take some more gel, some Eco Styling Gel, and you just kind of like put it in its place. I said the main key, I look crazy right now, but just trust the process. So the main key is to just get that hair slick with the Eco Styling Gel. And I usually just lay my edges too, like that. If anything ever gets out of place, I take a comb and just like reroute that hair if you want the hair to be right on your face. Just like that. Ayy. I just try to get one side slick, and then we're gonna come back to it, and then I do the same exact thing to the other side. Just that. And then what I start doing is I just start pulling it back like that, the hair in the back. And you can just pull it. So usually what I'll do is I'll put it in like a fake ponytail for a little bit, just so I can focus on some things. I'll just take some more gel and kind of lay it all back. Everything is in place, y'all. Do not play yourself. I like a slick look. Everybody may not like their hair all slick back like this, but I personally really like that slick, the slick edge look, okay? And you take your spray a little bit. You can spray at the top too, just to lay it down some more. Like I said, make sure you pull that hair so your ponytail can look like it's flourishing. Okay, and then you just pull the hair a little bit. We are not done, y'all, but I like to lay myself down and then I'll take a little bit of my got2b gel, put a little bit on the front, like up here. And then I also put some back here because some of my hair likes to curl up in the back. And then any leftover, I'll just swoop down here like that. A little brush like this. And like I said, you can just fix anything that needs fixing. Comb side, anything that needs fixing. You just take this baby brush. Even if you need to dip it back into the Eco Styling Gel, sis, do what you have to do. After that is all said and done, you are not done. You take a scarf and I just lay it right on my edges. And just like, you know, getting those curls right, making sure that they're looking juicy and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys, I want to try to give you guys a close-up of my little puff ball. And yeah, I'll just take some gel, just get you some gold hoops or some silver hoops, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm gonna let this kind of sit for like 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm taking this off and this is kind of what it looks like. It looks super slick, it looks so good, okay? I'll take my got2b fast freezing hairspray and just spray that on top just to lay any flyaways down. Yes, 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 yes. So the last and final touch that I do is I add bobby pins just because it's gonna be a long day. So we don't want any flyaways happening. So I usually put a bobby pin. Then I also put another bobby pin on the other side. So that is pretty much how I slick down my 4C hair. I really don't know what hair type I have. I think I'm like 4C. I would assume that I am. But that is my bun tutorial. Ooh, I'm slick. My stuff is laid to the gods. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this bun tutorial. Hopefully it helped you guys. Honestly, all you need is a nice hard bristled brush, Eco Styling Gel. The olive oil one works really, really well just because I feel like it doesn't dry your hair out and it gives you a really nice sleek look. And then go ahead and get your got2b hairspray or any hairspray for that matter, just because you want something to make sure that you can hold the hair in place. So yeah, I love you guys so much. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Ema's Life. That is so that you don't miss out on any posts that I have, any polls that I do, any questions that I ask you guys. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. So my Instagram will be linked below so you can check me out. And also make sure to check out all of my latest videos. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I know this one was requested, so I love doing videos that you guys want to see. But let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.